In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in 15 minutes with Hostinger. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional site live on the internet without needing to touch a line of code. First, log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you're on the official Hostinger site and sign in securely. Once you're in, you'll land in the H panel, which is Hostinger's simple control panel. Look for the website section. This is your starting point for creating and managing everything related to your site. From here, choose WordPress. It's the most popular website platform for a reason. It's flexible, fast to set up, and perfect for blogs, business sites, and portfolios. Hostinger streamlines the process so you don't need any technical setup. Next, fill in the required information. Give your site a name so it appears correctly in your header and browser tabs. Create an admin username and a strong password that you'll use to manage your site later. If you already have a domain connected to your plan, select it here. Otherwise, choose the available option provided by Hostinger. Review your choices, then keep going. Click Install. Hostinger will handle the heavy lifting in the background, creating the database, configuring WordPress, and getting your dashboard ready. This usually takes just a minute or two. When it's done, you'll see options to manage your website or open the dashboard. Now, use the Hostinger Website Builder. This gives you a visual, beginner-friendly way to create pages without any coding. It's great if you want to move quickly and see changes as you make them. Choose a template that fits your business or project. Think about your goal: a clean portfolio, a sleek online shop, or an informative service page. Focus on layout, typography, and the sections you need, like hero banners, testimonials, or contact forms. You can customize everything later, so start with the structure that feels closest to your vision. Use the drag and drop editor to personalize your site. Swap out placeholder text with your brand message, update images and logos, and adjust colors and fonts to match your style. Rename menu items, add pages like About or Services, and make sure your contact details are easy to find. Preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. In Settings, update your site title and description, and add image alt text for better accessibility and search visibility. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish. Hostinger will make your website live. Give it a quick test. Open it in a new browser tab. Check links and forms, and refresh if you don't see changes right away. Remember, you can come back and update your site anytime. That's it. You've built a website in minutes with Hostinger.